Hey there, amazing people. Welcome to our channel. It's been quite the ride since the beginning of the year, with our awesome team constantly pushing the boundaries to make Pawns.app bigger and better for you. And guess what? Today, we're diving into Pawns.app updates you can't miss in 2024. Some of these changes are designed to improve your user experience, while others offer new, exciting ways to boost your earnings. So, if you want to elevate your Pawns.app journey, stick around to the end of this video to find out how. Let's start with one of the best new features called number 1, Quest tab. This cool feature is a ticket to boosting your Pawns.app earnings and winning great prizes. The quests are actually tasks that you do anyway, like sharing your internet or taking a survey. Starting with simple tasks like verifying your email address, you'll unlock more challenging quests and rack up points along the way. These points can be exchanged for awesome rewards like earning boosts, lottery tickets, or even cold hard cash. If you wonder how to start, it's really simple. Just head over to the Quest tab, complete the available tasks, and watch those points stack up. The more quests you take, the more points you get, allowing you to access daily, weekly, and monthly quests for more unique rewards. Number 2, spin the wheel. Following the roaring success of our Quest tab, we rolled out another spectacular feature: spin the wheel. Our Pawns.app community is absolutely hooked, taking a free spin every day to see where luck takes them. Excited to try it out? Just spin the wheel every 24 hours and score yourself lottery tickets, earning boosts, and, drumroll please, straight up cash. It's the ultimate adrenaline rush and a fun and easy way to supercharge your earnings and put your luck to the test. Let's spin the wheel. Number 3, Poke feature. Thanks to our referral program, you can turn your squad into a money-making dream team by inviting them to join Pawns.app and earn together. And now, with our new Poke feature, the fun and motivation never stops while your earning potential increases. This awesome feature allows you to communicate and cheer each other on as you chase those earnings. Need to nudge your buddy to seize those opportunities? Want to celebrate their wins or thank them for their efforts? Poke away with a fun gift. Remember, the more they earn, the more cash lands in your pocket. So start poking and keep the good vibes flowing. Number 4, nicknames. Last but not least, allow us to introduce our new cool feature, nicknames. It lets you add a splash of personality to your Pawns.app experience by customizing your very own nickname. So the next time you snag a lottery ticket or give your referral a friendly poke, your unique nickname will be front and center, adding that touch of flair to every interaction. You can easily set up your nickname right in your Pawns.app account settings. Just type it in, hit save, and get ready to stand out from the crowd. That's all for now, but trust us, there's plenty more in store for 2024. If you're curious to learn more about each of these features, we have dedicated videos for you in the description. Don't forget to tackle those quests and spin the wheel every day to boost your earnings. Invite people to join Pawns.app and give them a friendly poke to inspire them to be active so you get their $3 bonus and 10% of their earnings for life. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and dive into more fun content on our channel. Until next time, keep the earnings rolling and see you with more updates.